Hey, what's up Avid Armor fam? My name is Parker and today I'm going to show you how to create the ultimate all-in-one sous vide kit in a drawer. This one drawer has everything you need to be able to start sous videing right away and also gives you a convenient storage solution for everything as well. For this, we're just going to be using a basic kitchen drawer. It measures about 18 inches by 18 inches and is about 6 inches tall as well. Here's everything we're going to fit inside the drawer. We have our Avid Armor AVS 7900 vacuum sealer, a variety of our pint, quart, and gallon bags, a sous vide circulator, a kitchen torch, a pair of scissors, binder clips, and last but not least, a Sharpie. We'll link everything you see in this video in the description down below. To build this, we're going to start from the bottom up, starting with the AVS 7900. This is the Avid Armor AVS 7900. It's the perfect vacuum sealer for this. Its small footprint makes it super easy to handle and store, and it comes right under our height limit of 6 inches. It comes with a portable bag cutter inside the machine, and it has a locking handle, making it even easier to use. We currently have it listed for $69 on Amazon. We're going to place our vacuum sealer along the left side of the drawer vertically. Also, be sure to use the cord storage on the back so everything stays nice and neat. Now we have this Ikea file organizer. It's available for $17.99 on Ikea.com. This organizer fits perfectly in a drawer or hangs neatly on a wall. It's perfect for keeping multiple sizes of sous vide bags organized and easily accessible. Now, we did not assemble the organizer, and in fact we took one of the pockets out to help it fit into the drawer. We're going to be placing the bag organizer so that it's lined up along the back of the drawer with the open end facing the sealer. And you want to have these a little spaced apart, but for the most part, they're still together. Inside the organizer, we're going to have our sous vide bags. We're going to be using our Avid Armor combo pack of vacuum sealer bags. This pack contains 50 of our top 3 bag sizes, the pints, the quarts, and the gallons. This gives you a great variety of bag sizes to fit whatever you'd like to sous vide. We do have to fold the gallon size bags in half, but once we do, the bags fit perfectly in this Ikea organizer. And up next, what sous vide kit would be complete without a circulator? Today we are using the Anova Nano Sous Vide Circulator. This is a great sous vide circulator to have on hand, and it's almost 2 inches smaller than the original circulator. The Anova Nano is the perfect size to fit into your kitchen drawer for quick and easy storage, but it's also powerful enough to cook for a table of 4. It can attach to any pot or container with a fixed clamp, and it's super easy to clean. Plus, they also have a handy app which gets you recipes, and it allows you to check the temperature of your sous vide bath as well. You can pick this one up on Amazon right now for $128. Now we're going to take our circulator and place it underneath the organizer in the little slot between the holes. And it should just nestle right in there and be hidden away when you open the drawer. Next up, we have a butane kitchen torch, which is perfect for searing your food once you've sous vide it. It's super portable, which means it fits perfectly into this drawer, and it's super easy to use, and you can just finish off whatever you're sous videing perfectly with it. You can get it on Amazon for $50. One tip to keep in mind, once the torch is lit, there are 2 different flames present, and you want to be careful to only use the outer flame to sear your food. If you use the inner flame, it will cause your food to taste like gas, which is gross and no one wants that. We're going to be sliding this torch in at the front right-hand side of our drawer, and it should fit really nice and neatly underneath that Ikea organizer as well. Now all that's left are just a few odds and ends that help complete our sous vide starter kit. We have a pair of scissors, which is just a great item to keep on hand. They can help you open any sous vide bag or cut a vacuum sealer roll to size. We also like keeping some binder clips on hand in case we need to clip some sous vide bags to the side of the sous vide container. And then last but not least, we have a Sharpie. Sharpies are always good to have on hand for labeling sous vide bags or labeling anything that you might need. It's just a great tool to have in your kitchen. And that's it, guys. That's how we built our all-in-one sous vide starter kit. As you can see, it all fits neatly inside this one kitchen drawer, allowing us to keep everything we need on hand and ready to go. Tell us below in the comments what you think of our kit and what your favorite sous vide tool is. Thanks again for joining us. If you like what you see, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.